Bitch, I'm from the town, all we do is sell crack. And got the motherfucking murder gang down pat. We a shooter, motherfucker, just like that. That's how I do a nigga if he run off with a sack. I'm a Inktown nigga, raised in the gun. On Lehigh and Henry, where being in the pan. Back in 94, I was only 9. When I got the blank check, that's when I saw my first dime. I was already blowing before I got the Inkster high. Y'all call it high school, I just went to school high. In the 9th grade, I stayed fresh as hell. Walking out of class, just and going clock to tail. Since a little dude, I was packing tools. Since middle school, y'all niggas knew I been the goon. If you wasn't on the same thing, nigga, I'm gonna fuck with you. Get yours, cause I got mine. On the block like stop sign. Keep a real nigga stop line, bitch, I post up and bump in the car like Parasite. With a beam on the clock line. Catch me without that thing, yeah, it's unlikely. And out a group of 10 niggas, 9 of them shiesty. I'm Inktown bound. You know where to find me. In the trap, selling crack, serving all the zombie. Bitch, I'm from the town, all we do is sell crack. And got the motherfucking murder gang down pat. Be a shooter, motherfucker, just like that. That's how I do a nigga if he run off with a sack. Bitch, I'm from the town, all we do is sell crack. And got the motherfucking murder gang down pat. We a shooter, motherfucker, just like that. That's how I do a nigga if he run off with a sack.
Only time I got my hand out is when I'm making sales. Cause when I was down and I was out, anybody wanna help? Gotta make a money move, don't really care about going to jail. Free my niggas, I got bail, ain't got time to take no L's, niggas. Man, I done did some crazy shit. I done seen it all from that signing to that hating shit. Niggas be acting like they your friends on that faking shit. And all that bullshit that you talking is irrelevant. You can help a nigga make a sale, but he'll rob you quick. And the same nigga that say he died be the same nigga that chase you quick. I guess that's what I get for fucking with this shady clique. Now that just make it hard to trust my nigga or my bitch. But most of the times, you gotta say yourself. I told myself I never fall in love, then I play myself. I'm trying to get